How to delete all data from a game on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. On this page, go to iPhone Storage. From here, scroll down to see all your apps and how much space they're taking up. Tap on the game you want to delete. For example, Subway Surf. Here, tap on Delete app below. Tap on Delete again to confirm. This will delete the app and all related data from this iPhone. If you want to download the game again, then go back and open up the App Store application. Go to the search bar at the top and type in the name of the game. And then, tap on the download icon as shown to download it again. Following these steps, you can easily delete all data from a game on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.